Why are you closing all the windows and then not even putting the air on?
All right. Good morning. Welcome back for the stream today. We got some decent action pre-market. Not too bad. I think that's good that we're seeing this type of action. Seems like the market is heating up quite a bit here. So just a matter of time where we get a nice move. We did see some action on GCT. which wasn't too bad. GCT. Okay. Chris McGinnis is calling out AREB, a MOAS play. What does that mean? AREB. Let's check it out. AREB, no volume. So I'm not watching AREB. We do have EEIQ. You can take a look at EEIQ. I don't see any news for EEIQ. GCT. Let's take a look at GCT. This one was eyeing up since about. I mean, I was kind of like looking at it all morning. I did very light trading on it, down $5 actually down $5 on it. But I was kind of watching this whole move here. Really good to see this type of action. I didn't really want to trade it though because pre-market, I just want to be laying off pre-market mostly and keeping my mental energy for the open. Don't want to get too worked up pre-market. Usually it's just a lot of stress pre-market trading for me, so I usually just kind of keep it alone. But yeah, very nice move here. GCT up about 100%, so very good to see. I think this is definitely a sign that market's heating up a little bit, so I think we could see some more action at the open. Maybe not on GCT. Sometimes when the pre-market runners make a big move at the open, they tend to like chop out. We did see that on CWBR yesterday. Made a big move pre-market, up about 200%, and then at the open started chopping out a lot, chopping out until about 1 o'clock. Made that move from 4 to 6. So got to be careful with those pre-markets gappers at the open. Sometimes they don't really hold up, or they get real choppy if they're overtraded pre-market. You also have CYTO hitting the gap scan. CYTO not making a terrible move. CYTO, positive top-line data from Bentro clinical trial and seasonal allergic rhinitis. Okay, so has some news on there. It's pretty good. GCT was trading higher as company with a year-over-year increase in Q1. So jumping 93% after. So it's actually earnings catalyst. Surprisingly, an earnings catalyst caused a GCT to go from $5.50 all the way up to $11.58, which is surprising. Usually, earnings catalysts are not the best, but I guess occasionally they can make a big move. So GCT is definitely reflecting that. We also have CYTO, ENVB, and EEIQ on watch. So let's see here. PACW. Let's take a look at PACW. It was gapping up. Now it's hitting the lows there. This is a bank stock. Kind of still hanging around those lows. The market's kind of hanging up at yearly highs on the year, but we did not hold this area, so we're coming back below this previous kind of flat top area. So overall market, it's still high, so we might see that momentum carry over in the small cap market, but starting to kind of curl back down. So we'll see what happens from there. Yeah. Is the bear market over, or is just the beginning? I'm still kind of with the latter. I think that the market still has room to go down, but anything can happen. I'm not gonna think that it can't do anything else. So. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thanks for tuning in for the watch list stream here. Thanks guys for continually supporting the channel, hitting that thumbs up button, also subscribing. I love when a lot of people get to tune in for the morning stream. It's always good to kind of call out the plays for you guys and kind of get a temperature check on the market and share my thoughts on the pre-market gappers.